Hey, here we go then. On slide number 1, I think these are very similar. A Typhoon just there. They're building up a bit of speed. Woo. Probably a bit faster with 2 of you, but I don't know actually, we're speeding up quite a bit now. I do like a good water slide. Whoa, quite good. Here we go, splash. Oh, soaked. And here we go on Typhoon number 2. We've got a bit of banking off to the left there. Hooray! Build up a bit of speed quicker, I think, here. Woo! Oh, bit of a helix. Not quite as thrilling as roller coasters, but it'll do. Whoa! No, I'm not as soaked that time. Yeah, we're all good. Here we go. Oh! A little push. And here we go. I'm going backwards on this thing. There's Charlotte. Hey, this is all right. Nice and relaxing. They're on the cyclone. Woo. I'm going backwards, so I can't see anything. Charlotte's all right. Here we go. I'm going backwards still. Ah! Whoa! Hey! Oh! Are you all right? You okay? I like all the lights in here. There we go. It's a little funnel out. Oh, that was all right for you, wasn't it? Oh, here we go. It's getting out. That's the fun bit now. Hey! And here we go. Oh, building up quite a bit of speed here. It doesn't hurt my back, this one, which is good. But I am coming down fast, so I think I'm going to get soaked to the bottom. Oh. Ah, lovely.